Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to use guest mode in Google Chrome. So if you want to use guest mode in Google Chrome, you have to open the Google Chrome first. Then you have to go to this top right corner, this uh, profile icon. Click on this profile icon and scroll down, and you'll find here this guest option. Click on this guest, and then you can see that you are using as a guest. Now you can browse anything. Okay, so you're browsing as a guest right now. So this is how you can use a guest mode in Google Chrome. So this is so simple guys. So if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.